Today, I'm going to show you how to export your PowerPoint as a video. As this is the final step in your video project, you'll want to double check that your clip length, volume, and timings are complete and satisfactory. You can check this by choosing Play from Beginning under the Slideshow tab. If any changes are needed, please refer back to videos and tip sheets entitled Editing Videos in PowerPoint and Timing Media and Transitions in PowerPoint for help. Once you're ready to export, go to File and then click on Export. Then choose Create a Video from the list of options. Now look for the second drop-down box labeled Use Recorded Timings and Narrations, and make sure that Use Recorded Timings and Narrations is selected. You can also preview your timings here. Ignore seconds spent on each slide directly underneath this drop-down box and its accompanying time value. This is the default setting and it won't be used as long as Use Recorded Timings and Narrations is selected. Next, choose your resolution. Full HD 1080p should be automatically selected, but if it is not, click on the drop-down box and choose Full HD. For your final step, click Create Video. Once the file folder comes up, make sure to choose a folder placement that will make the video easy to find later. For example, on your desktop or in a designated project folder. Be patient. The exporting process may take several minutes, especially depending on video file size and personal computer capabilities. As always, if you want feedback on your PowerPoints, videos, or PowerPoint videos, you can schedule a consultation with the Digital Axe Studio. Happy exporting!